Hey guys, this is Fresh Biker. Today we're going to be installing the Oxford HotGrips, so please stay tuned and enjoy the installation.
There's a few things you're going to need. You're going to need your hot grips, and you're obviously going to need your motorcycle. Unlock the back of your bike. You should have a toolkit in there to help you unscrew anything that you might need. If not, get yourself a proper socket set. Start by removing parts of your switchgear, and this is what you're going to be installing. Put the back plate on. Set up your bolts like this with the spacers, reattach with the sockets, and then you're ready to go. Get your wiring set up as it says in the box. It's very easy to, you can't go wrong there. I'm not going to bore you by creating a video for that part. Red for live, black for earth, attach it to your battery and away you go. Set the bike going and then you can test and see if the hot grips work. You want to find yourself a Stanley blade or a Stanley knife, even better. Slice down the old grips and remove them, trying to give them a quick clean off. Make sure you get rid of all that old glue. On your throttle grip you will find that there is a hard plastic in a tube. This is basically it's very simple on the CBF 600, it's smooth. Some you will find will have ridges on it. You may need to take the Stanley knife and slice down, removing the ridges before you put the new hot grip on. So before you start gluing your grips on, let's get them into place, make sure that they fit nice and snug on the old bars, and get your bike started up and test that everything's working. You don't need to worry about how tidy the wiring is at the minute. Just get it set up and then we'll sort that out later. Right, if you're happy with everything, make sure now you put the super glue on. You want to do long stretches down the handlebars and then inside the new hot grips. Make sure you don't get any on your t-shirts or anything. Wear overalls. I mean, I've learnt from that mistake. Once you're finished with the left grip, move on to the right. This is the one obviously used for your throttle. So you want to make sure that none of the cabling is getting in the way or causing the throttle to stick. Once you've glued everything in place and you're happy with it, you can put the bar ends back on. Make sure you don't do them too tight because they can interfere with the throttle.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. So basically I have edited out some of the boring parts. I didn't actually show you how I threaded through all the wiring. It's completely bike dependent, so there's no point me showing you exactly how I did it. Basically there's going to be some models where it's going to be easier to remove the tank, get the wiring underneath the tank so as it looks really tidy. Mine was quite easy. The CBF 600, there's just a couple of plastic plates at either side. You remove them and you can actually get right underneath the tank, and it's quite simple. If you've got any questions, please comment below, subscribe, and hopefully I'm going to have some more products and installations that I can show you. Looking forward to it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.